Welcome back. Today's recipe is banana bread. First, add 2 eggs in a mixing bowl and 1/3 cup of unsalted and melted butter. Now batter this mixture until it becomes a smooth texture. Now keep this aside and take 2.5 cups of almond flour with banana mix in a bowl. Add half cup of sugar and add almond flakes, which is of 1.5 tablespoon. Now add our egg and butter mixture to the flour. Add 1 cup of milk. And now let's start mixing our batter. Apply some clarified butter to the baking dish. Then add the batter into the dish. Add raisins over the top of the batter. Preheat the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 45 minutes. Try this easy recipe at home and share this little treat with your friends and family, and have a good day. Bye-bye.